Welcome to our presentation, Grand Councilman. Our company, Centaurus A Corrections Facility, presents to you Centaurus A Penitentiary and Rehabilitation. This prison is located on the asteroid called Vesta. This asteroid is inside the same solar system as planet Earth, but within the asteroid belt. The universe is vast. The fact that our prison is located in the same solar system as planet Earth makes the transportation of the prisoners to and from our prison simpler. It is already known that the universe contains billions of galaxies and that each galaxy contains billions of stars, planets, and dust. They are bound together by gravity, come in different shapes, and move together through space. There are three types of galaxies: spiral, elliptical, and irregular. Galaxies can be classified based upon their shapes. Within galaxies are stars. Stars are celestial bodies that radiate high amounts of heat and light. They can be classified based on their size, temperature, or luminosity. Our solar system's star, the Sun, is of average size, temperature, and luminosity. A spectroscope is used to determine exactly what stars are made of. This tool separates the white light from the star into a spectrum of colors. A spectroscope is like a prism that separates the white light into an even wider spectrum of colors. The spectrum of colors is spread out so much, black lines are shown. Stars are composed of mostly hydrogen and helium. They are also composed of other elements depending on the type of star. Some stars are hotter than others. The coolest stars are red in color. Orange stars are hotter in temperature. Following orange stars are yellow stars, white stars, and then blue stars. Our ship can withstand up to 20,000 degrees Celsius of heat. White stars and blue stars have temperatures that exceed what our ship can hold up against, though luckily the only star we will pass nearby is the Sun. Fortunately, the Sun has a lower mass than the average star. Because the Sun has less mass than most stars, it won't have much of a gravitational pull as a red or blue giant. This means that our ship can pass through the star easily without getting off course. Our ship travels at a speed of 100,000 miles per hour. The speed can increase if we use a process called slingshotting, which a celestial body's gravity is used as a slingshot to boost a ship's speed. This was how the Rosetta managed to triple its speed to 55,000 miles per hour to catch a comet. All stars are dangerously bright, but its lethality depends on entirely how far you are from the star. Remember, the Sun is an average star. On an HR diagram, you can see that the Sun is an average star when you look at it based on its luminosity and temperature. Because the Sun is bright, we will wear sunglasses at all times and have no windows on the ship other than the ones in the control center. The windows in the control center will also be tinted in precaution. We will have an HR diagram on board in order to classify stars. Stars form when clouds of dust collapse, causing heat to ignite in the center. Stars evolve and change in size, color, temperature, and luminosity as they grow older. A supernova is a star that nears the end of its age and explodes. The reason why they explode is because they use up all their hydrogen and helium. All of the hydrogen and helium turn into iron, and the nuclear fusion that balances the star with an energy going outward up against energy coming inward, gravity. Once the nuclear fusion runs out, the star's gravity collapses on itself. When the star explodes, it hurls a large number of atoms into space. The result of a supernova is a nebula, or a cloud of dust and gas. A nebula isn't the only thing a supernova can create. If the star is large enough, a black hole can be formed after a supernova. A black hole is so dense that the diameter of it is 2 inches across. This is approximately the diameter of a golf ball. Because it is so dense, it has a strong gravitational pull. Its gravitational pull is so strong, it can unsettle solar systems and not even light can escape it. On the way to Centaurus Penitentiary and Rehabilitation, we will encounter many constellations. The first will be Orion the Hunter. His main stars are Betelgeuse, Rigel, Bellatrix, and Elenilem. The constellation next will be Leo Minor. This line is made mainly from Denebola, Sherton, Regulus, Versailles, and Algenumi. Finally, the last constellation we will pass will be Gemini, the twins. They're comprised of mainly Castor A, Pollux, and Castor B.